Effect does this have on Disney stock? Joe, thanks so much.
Well, it's a classic. What we say is, do you sell on the news? I mean, people have known that this is coming, but look, this is a huge event, and it's really captured both the adults and the children at Christmas time. I mean, this to me, I'd be betting on the positive side of this, even though the market. I've had emails from many money managers that's saying, you know what, I've owned it for a while, and maybe it's all in the stock.
And they've made a lot of money on it.
Tons. It's been a huge stock.
Well,
Keith just proved that he's no Grinch, that he's no Scrooge, that he does have a beating heart, and because that was a very optimistic, positive way to look at it.
I like some stocks. I like McDonald's.
That's right, you do.
He likes America stocks.
To Keith's Grinch side, though, if you look at the chart, you see Disney has had a wonderful year. Hasbro's done very well because of all these toy sales. And about a week or 2 weeks ago, they started pulling back. I think it was kind of sell the news because everyone knew there was so much hype around this. Now, the good news is for Disney, it might actually be achieving and maybe even exceeding the hype. We sent a Barron's reporter on Tuesday night, and he came back and raved about the movie. And he's a cynical guy. He loved it.
The expectations from analysts, from Wall Street analysts, Keith will love this, they are up there, but they're not as high as this box office could go.
Right.
They're not expecting this to be the highest grossing movie of all time, which is still Avatar. I think it's almost $2.8 billion. It could easily exceed that if you get repeat business, easily. And I don't think they're trying to couch it and say, oh, it's going to be like third in terms of global box office domination.
Yeah, when you look at the stock, I mean, it ripped to 120 before all this kind of was, headline news. Had a huge correction all the way to 96,
on ESPN.
And now it's at 112.
But yeah, that involved a lot of media.
And you have that's the other thing about Disney. You have ESPN, you have the Disney parks yesterday announcing that they're effectively in more of a lockdown situation than they've been because of the terrorist events. I mean, there's a lot to think about when you think about the Disney stock. So you can't just day trade it based on how the movie flows. Although, again, I'd be bullishly biased on the movie flow.
All right, short break coming up.